What's up, fellow K-pop fans? How are my dreamers doing? I hope you're doing absolutely beautifully. In this episode of JoeyGero Reviews K-pop, we're going to be checking out BTOB-BLUE, When It Rains. Just so you guys know, I didn't get a chance to check out BTOB's last comeback, which was only one for me, so I'm going to record that and I'm going to put it up on Patreon. It'll be a Patreon exclusive just for $1.99. You guys will be able to watch that if you want to. Links are down in the description. Before we get into this video, don't forget to add me on social media. I'll pop up here. Maggie doesn't like it when I do the sound, so I can't do the sound anymore. And like I said, on the flip side of that will be our Patreon. So make sure you guys go check that out. I don't know what I'm doing right there. We might have a mouse in the house. I'm not 100% sure, but we might. Maggie seems to think that we do. Jasper's kind of acting like we might. Who knows?
People think we're dirty.
No one will think we're dirty. We live right next door to woods. It's a little tiny house mouse. House mouse. It's really cute. Yes, we caught one. We have we bought these things called have-a-heart traps, I think they're called, or something like that, or something. But basically, it doesn't kill the mouse. It just traps him in this little thing, and then he can eat peanut butter while he waits to be released. And we released him out into the field, and he hopped. It was really cute. He goes, zoop, 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 zoop. Right, Maggie?
Yeah. The same one come back.
It might be the same one that came back. He might like us. He's like, they give me peanut butter, man. All right, you guys, without further ado, let's dive into BTOB-BLUE's When It Rains right now. Ooh. Honestly, I like this keyboard already. It's 80s. Ooh. I smell a ballad. A beautiful ballad, maybe. Nice. I really like the sound of this track, you guys. Reminds me of like Boys to Men or 2 AM. You guys remember 2 AM? I don't know if they're still around or not. I don't think so. That was interesting. The tom drum like interfered with the bass. Cute. It's a pretty music video. Wow. Really nice vocals. Oh my god, it's making me hungry. Beautiful falsetto. I like how they keep doing that. They keep doing this interesting layering of the vocals in the song. Oh, those toms are so slappy. I'm really glad they added those backing vocals there. Wow. Crazy vocals right there. Just the harmony intertwining like that. Got an 80s metal ballad vocal in there. I'm having flashbacks to Goblin. Is that weird, Maggie? Man, their vocals are good. They should have put a little bit of that in there. Maybe something like that. You know what I mean? That was a good ballad. I really enjoyed it. The music video is beautiful. Man, they did some impressive things with the vocals there, so I'm sure as hell going to go back and check those out. Yeah, so let's check out some things. There's not a lot I'm going to point out in here. I'll say that the bass was nice and groovy, very R&B style with those drums. The drums had some nice slappiness to them. They really like kind of bounced back at you, which was a nice sound. It's just a beautiful ballad. In K-pop, ballads are just really freaking good. They really are, honestly, and I love checking out ballads in K-pop, honestly, because the production value is always really good, and it's always really emotional, really captivates you, and they definitely did that with this song. There was some interesting things that they did with the vocals, so let me just go through real quick. Also, if I'm getting really nitpicky, or maybe it's not nitpicky because that's more things that you don't like, but if I'm really getting in there, just the reverb, the echo on the snare, the reverb there, it's like, it goes for a while and I like it. And the panning is interesting in this song too, as long as there's nothing wrong with my headphones, which I don't think there is. No, it's interesting panning. I wish they turned up the backing vocals right here because they sound really, really beautiful. They do have them a little bit louder towards the end, but great vocals, man. Oh, love that falsetto. And those chimey keyboards, man. When this harmony part comes in, the layering on it sounds amazing, man. I gotta listen to see what they did here. I mean, I guess they're just doing harmony, but it just sounds really... It just sounds... You know what it is, honestly? It's just their vocals blending together so beautifully. Really. Sometimes you get that. You know, you can have like a ton of people singing together and their harmonies are right, but it doesn't sound absolutely amazing. Sometimes the tone of certain people's vocals, they just mesh really well together. For instance, me and my mother's vocals mesh really well together. Could be the fact that we're related. A lot of times when you get people who are related and they sing together, they tend to sound good together. But their tones match up really beautifully. They really do. Beautiful harmony right there too. That's high. That's a high harmony part. Did you hear that? That was cool. Oh yeah, listen to that too. When the tom hits and the bass hits on the same time. Isn't that crazy sounding, man? It's like whoa, 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 whoa. There's a certain decibel they're really interfering with each other, which is what's creating that wobble. You hear those backing vocals? I wish they turned those up a little bit more, man, because they're really good. It really reminds me of Boys to Men. Wow. So not only, so you've got at least a 2-part harmony going on there with, I mean, I guess okay, so you've got 2 backing vocals doing harmony, and then you've got a lead vocal like really going high on top of it. It sounds really good. Also, the notes that they're singing are I feel like at some parts they come really close. It's cool. Like right there. That's beautiful. Listen to that. That's an interesting chord to sing right there. That's good. I can do that too, you guys, but I'm not going to do it right now. Maybe when I get my own place, I'll show you guys. I can go, what? Only way more projected. It sounds horrible because I'm holding back because I don't want to be super loud. Love it, man. Beautiful ballad, you guys. Okay, I'm done reviewing it. I took a lot of time reviewing that, but I really enjoyed it, honestly. I liked it a lot. Fantastic song. Like I said, you guys, I will be reviewing BTOB's Only One for Me exclusively for Patreon, so if that interests you at all, make sure you go sign up over there. I love you guys, dreamers. Keep on dreaming. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, annyeong.